Glammies, hey guys, welcome to my channel, and yes, fall is here, and today I'm gonna share with y'all how I redecorate my entire coffee bar area, and I'm gonna share as well two of my favorite Starbucks recipes. So let's jump into it. And the first recipe is how to make the vanilla syrup. And for the vanilla syrup, we're gonna need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of brown sugar. In this case, I'm using white sugar, and 3 tablespoons of vanilla essence. If you want to change the flavor, just use the essence of your preference. You can use almond essence or whatever you want, So you're gonna stir here, and just you need these 3 minutes. So when it's get cold, you're gonna transfer to your favorite, to your favorite recipient. In this case, I'm using an olive oil recipient that I have sometime there in my pantry. So I'm gonna show you how to do in this way. Remember how to be cold before transfer. And I'm just gonna put all together. Let's very clean. And I'm using Mayer for the seasonal fall. Smells so good. Now let's gonna set all together. I'm using this tray because it's like a farm look, fall. And this beautiful cup that I found in Home Goods. If you have missed my recent video, you need to watch it. This beautiful flower and all that, this beautiful frame, be grateful. And this cup and my sugar cup, everything looked perfect. This gather cup, I wanted something look like a lot of my favorite colors together, like all my favorite glam colors together, white and gold. And this frame was so brown, so I need to have some peaches, so I do the chalk, my sun chalks, and I put some like pink on it. This towel get like mood from the last year, and we are setting everything looking nice and clean. This tray, marble tray, and my favorite syrups for my coffees, and it's pumpkin and cinnamon and caramel, and the vanilla we made, and our cinnamon can mix, And this beautiful piney cone I have made it last year. You remember that I personalized. It looks beautiful in this beautiful cup. All this mixture of colors, not too glam, but with all the fall colors and glam colors and gold and silvers and beachy and blush, and everything looks so nice. I love it how it is everything looking. Let's see the final result. This beautiful pumpkin I found in the Dollar place in Walmart. So beautiful. And this I have made DIY the last year. And this beautiful cheese board I found in Home Goods the last year. And I'm gonna put my favorite Italian biscuits that I love to eat with my cold coffees or my drinks or everything. I love, because remember me some kind of cookies in my country. So now the napkins, so beautiful, say thanks. Just gonna put in here. I have made those leaves, guys. I got this in golds to give more decor and glam to the coffee station. And let's gonna put in there around and some silvers, and that looks so beautiful. And here on the top I got all the essentials people need to create the coffee. So that is how everything looks together. I think it looks nice and clean, and all the color match perfectly how I love. And I think on daytime it looks a bomb. Now it's like nighttime, but I think at daytime, guys, this look the bomb. You need to see at daytime. So guys, I'm morning I'm gonna share my recipes when I work out, you know. Yes, comment down below if you like it. Comment down below if you like it, what you think about the mixture of my favorite color. So it's daytime, and you see how look better, like boom, the match of colors and everything. You see, now I'm getting my espresso because I'm gonna show you my recipe. For the first recipe I'm gonna do of mine is the salt iced caramel mocha, and for this we're gonna need espresso and milk, caramel. This is the milk I'm using 2%. And the first we're gonna need is we're gonna make our chocolate, and we're gonna need 1 cup of milk, and we're gonna make our chocolate. But I'm gonna present in different kind of chocolate that I have and I like. But now when I carry my weight, I use like light chocolate. But if you don't carry your weight, use whatever chocolate you want. But I'm using this because it's light. So I'm using light chocolate, and I'm gonna make my chocolate first, my milk chocolate. So now we're gonna pour our caramel to the chocolate, and then we're gonna stir a little bit, whip, and we're gonna take our Starbucks with ice, and just right here we're gonna put our chocolate mist. And then we're gonna take our espresso and put on the top. We're gonna add more caramel, and we're gonna add salt. We're gonna saute the caramel, and then we're gonna pour our whipped cream, the quantity we want. Look at this. This is so beautiful, just like this. This salt iced caramel mocha looks so yummy. So the second we're gonna do is iced caramel frappe, or iced caramel, yes, frappe, because if you don't use the blender, would be a nice caramel mochiatto, and you could do in the same way like the others. So you're gonna mix all the stuff. What we're gonna need is the same espresso, milk, caramel, and ice, and then we're gonna do the same caramel and cream and more caramel, guys. All the caramel is to one. I'm gonna leave the ingredients down below so you don't gonna be loose. And guys, this is the final result of this recipe: salt iced caramel mocha and iced caramel frappe, and the beautiful coffee bar fall edition. So if you like this video, leave me a big thumbs down below, leave your comment, share the video, and I hope you enjoy and like, and it were like inspo for you. Thank you.